My name is Deniella Rodica.
And my name is Kath.
And you are watching this video all about the set of real numbers and their properties. First of all, what is real numbers?
Real numbers are the numbers that are the set of rational and irrational numbers.
For example, negative 5, 0.25, 3, 4 pi, and square root of 5.
There are two types of numbers, the natural numbers and the whole numbers.
The examples of natural numbers are 10 and square root of 49. And for whole numbers, 0, 5, and 25.
There are two types of real numbers, the rational and the irrational number.
For rational number can be expressed in a form of fraction. For example, 2/3. 2 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. If you change this fraction into decimal, you will just divide it. 2 divided by 3 is equals to 0.15. So the decimal of 2/3 is 0.15.
For a rational number is any number that cannot be expressed as ratio of two integers. For example, 6 over 11. 6 is the numerator and 11 is the denominator. If you are going to change it in decimal, you will just divide 6 and 11. So 6 divided by 11 is equals to 0.583.
There are 6 properties in real numbers. There are closure properties, additive and multiplicative inverses, associative properties, distributive properties, commutative properties, and identity elements.
There are two types of closure properties, addition and multiplication. If the number is closer to the other number, it is closure property. For example, 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. So 3 is closer for the 4. It is also the same for multiplication. xy is equals to 5 times 2 is equals to 10.
For additive and multiplicative inverses, two types, addition and multiplication. Example for addition is a is equals to 1 and negative 1. Positive a plus negative a is equals to 0 because there are absolute values. And for multiplication, a is equals to 5. So 5 over 1, there is 1 because in whole number there are always a denominator of 1. 5 times 1/5 is equals to 5 over 5. So if you will divide 5 over 5, it equals to 1.
Associative property. Associative property is only for addition. It is for English 101, it is regrouping. Property. For English 101, it is regrouping. Example, you will regroup A and B. For the second is you will regroup B and C. 5 open parenthesis 5 plus 3 close parenthesis plus 2 is equals to 5 plus open parenthesis 3 plus 2. This is the number that you will regroup A and B and the B plus C. For distributive property, for English 101, it is distributing. 3 plus open parenthesis 2 plus 1 close parenthesis 3 times 2 plus 3 times 1. So, you will just regroup distributing B and C to the A.
In commutative properties, for example, in addition, A is equals to 5 and B is equals to 10. So, 5 plus 10 is equals to 10 plus 5. You will just exchange the numbers. In multiplication, they are just the same. It's just this is multiplying and this is adding. In identity elements, for addition, A is equals to 1. So 0 plus 1 is equals to 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. The answer is 1 because 1 is greater than 0. In multiplication, A is equals to 39. 1 times 39 is equals to 39 times 1. So, the answer is 39. Because if you will multiply 1 times 39, the answer is always 39.
Thanks
Thanks
you
for
for
watching this video.